talk about the binaries of us and them. Whether it is the Sikhs in Delhi in 1984, whether it is the rape of Muslim women in Gujarat in 2002, whether it is the rape of sex workers. We took a case of a recent case of a sex worker in Meerut, Sangli in Maharashtra, where she was kicked by a police officer and she said, "Don't kick me on my stomach, I'm pregnant." And he said, "Ran bhi kabhi maan nahi ban sakti." So the binary of who can be a mother. We know that mothers can be sex workers when there's nothing to feed your babies. As Suparna was saying, I lived in a drought-prone village for 5 years. I look urban, but my entire experience is rural at this point. And I know what mothers do to feed their children. And many mothers can become randis, and of course, whores can become mothers. But this binary of the wife for reproduction and a prostitute for sex is the way in which patriarchy divides good and bad women. So the children that your wife produces is from your caste, from the same class, from the same social status, so that those children are legitimate, they will inherit your property, whereas those of the other woman don't belong. Now, I don't want to go on that because I know how empowered the whores are, because I've worked a lot with sex workers, but I'm not going to take that issue here. But the whole thing is about the binaries of the good and the bad woman. Again, I want to give you an example. My own experience. I was then about 2022 and I was waiting on a corner in Bombay. That's where I grew up. I was waiting for a friend to pick me up because we were going to another friend's home for dinner. And when I saw the car come in the evening twilight, the headlights, you can't see who's inside the car. So I peeped to see whether that was his car. And the car slowed. The way it slowed, I knew it wasn't his car, because it would have just come and stood right in front of me. So it kind of slowed, went a little bit ahead. It waited for a few seconds. My hackles were up. The car came back. There were two men. They consulted among themselves for maybe about 10 seconds. And one of them asked me, "Will you come? Aana hai?" I said, "No." So immediately the second one said, "मैंने उनको बोला था आप वैसे नहीं हैं." मैंने कहा मैं वैसी हूँ, but I don't want to come. That's the divide between the good woman and the bad woman. If I say no, it means no. And unless society gives a right to say yes, my no will never be taken seriously. So the answer, as Anna and others were answering, is not to veil the women, is not to segregate the women. It's to be able to say yes. It's not the first two stanzas of a movie song where the heroine kind of, says no, 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 and in the third one says yes.